Hello everyone, welcome to imacooker channel. Today we are going to make a dish which is called as a poor man's dish. It is called because back in the days when they didn't have enough money to buy meat or fish, they used a simple recipe to mix it with the rice and it tasted so yummy. So for this recipe, I'm taking one whole onion. I've taken 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, salt to taste. You can always adjust the spice according to your taste. And a small piece of tamarind. Now let's get started. I'm going to put everything into the bowl. I'm going to add the tamarind as well. Now I'm going to mix all the ingredients together. This is how it looks after mixing it up. I've taken some hot steaming rice. To this I'm going to add the onion mixture. You mix it up. After mixing up with hot steaming rice, this is how it looks. Enjoy the recipe. Thank you.